Welcome back to 3-Minute Thursday. The move I'm going to teach you, the Flair bartender move I'm going to teach you today looks like this. Oh yes. Oh. Yes. Start off, well, let me break it down. Break it down. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. First of all, we're doing a roll up the arm, down the arm, all right? But we're gonna do a throw to roll, all right? Yes. Now, you don't have to do the throw. You can just simply go like this, look, bang, all right? Or place it on the back of your hand. Bottle inside, but not inside, just resting, all right? You're gonna roll up, and you wanna roll quite quickly. Don't do this slowly, because it's more difficult. Roll down, all right? And I'm holding the shaker on my thumb, not my fingers, not the fingers, thumb. Not fingers, thumb, like this. Now from there, I'm throwing this way, all right, up in the air, and I want it to just drop down on top of the bottle. Now from this point, depends on the bar top that you've got. I've got rubber mats. I'm gonna grab in this hand, turn over. Look, I'm not holding on to the shaker, I'm just holding this, and I'm stabilizing the shaker with the bottle. Bang, bosh. Do a do a cut, and then do a behind the back to finish off, or you can just do cut, grab to this hand, cut, change position, put it down, cut, put it down, whatever you want, completely up to you. Simplest way to do this, open end facing you, pick up the bottle, roll, down, stop, throw it up, lampshade we call this, change position, bang. You can even go one more time. This time I'll do the difficult version with the roll, with real liquid, picking everything up from the bar top. My brew. Yeah. Yes, yes, love this move, love it. You can use it on stage, you can use it behind the bar. So that is this week's 3-Minute Thursday, and I'm gonna call this one, after the person who showed me the move, the Robin Roll. Mr. Robin Navarro teaches this move a lot, calling this one the Robin Roll. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Till next week, see you then.